From the outside, Laburnum Cottage blends beautifully into the heart of Priors Hardwick, but inside you'll find just over 2,500 square feet of beautifully designed living space. This is village life without compromising on space. Let's go and take a look. The heart of the home is this incredible open-plan kitchen dining family area, perfectly designed for entertaining and everyday family life. Outside, there's a private landscape garden, plus a detached garage with a fully insulated room above. Whether you need a home office, games room or gym, it gives you incredible flexibility.